All right, here we are, deck 2, ocean view room.
129.
And this is the bathroom, the head, whatever. This is quite a bit smaller than the one on the Pride, but is room for one and a bonus roomy shower. Very roomy shower. Yeah, that shower curtain is not going to stick to anybody. Good news. All right, there are 3 closets, one of which has the safe and life jackets. The other 2 have plenty of hanging space and plenty of hangers, I might add. So this is our ocean view room. Oh, there's plenty of drawer space there. And there's the old man.
Over all the time.
Old man in the sea. And so that's roomy.
There is a cooler box, which was not expected. Hey there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments about today's post, please let us know down below. The turtle says to do it.
What does MSC stand for?
Mediterranean Shipping Company. It's probably not as big as a lot of them are.
I don't know. Look how long it is.
I think a big one would dwarf us. I'm not sure. I like just holding the camera still, letting the whole thing go by.
Oh, but maybe there's a storm. Oh no! No, it's smooth again.
Where's red buttons? Hello from the crow's nest, where the X stands for savings. This is Scotty.
This is Steve.
Remember, tip your cabin stewards, please. They work very hard.
Oh boy, do they ever.
See you next time.
Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve, Scotty Steve.